Hello mamas, welcome to my channel. So let's make this nutrient packed tombrown for school children and the whole family. Please check the description box for all the ingredients used for this recipe. So the first is to get your corn, your wash, and also get your Guinea corn. As you can see, it has two varieties, the brown and the white one. You wash it. Please make sure you wash very well to remove all the dirt and stones, even chaff from the Guinea corn. Then, as you can see, the stones I picked from the Guinea corn. Make sure you wash it very well. You wouldn't want to introduce stones to your children's food. This is the Guinea corn after it has been washed, and we will now sun dry. If you have oven, you can use your oven to dry it. The next ingredient is wheat. We also wash the wheat. We do the same process for all the ingredients we will use for this recipe. And we get our millet. We wash very well. These are all the ingredients after they have been washed. We'll now sun dry. We also get our debino, that is date. We will use this debino to sweeten the tombrown. We wash the debino, remove the seed from it, and sun dry it. While we are drying all these ingredients before using, is to remove all the moisture from it, and for the end product, which is our tombrown, not to grow mold, because we can store it for a very long time, for up to 6 months. To avoid it growing mold or spoiling or changing taste, we have to dry all of them very well. You can dry up to 3 days depending on the weather in your own location. Okay, you now start with toasting. You toast your debino, then you toast your corn. While toasting corn, you toast it on a very low heat and keep stirring at intervals for the corn not to get burned. And once it starts popping, you bring it down and you spray it for it to cool down. The same thing applies to other ingredients. You also toast all of them. You toast the millet. Once it's about popping, as you can see, the white ones there, it means it has started popping. You bring it down. You do this procedure to all the ingredients you're using for it, and this toasting helps to release a unique flavor of this tombrown. These are wheat we also toast, and it also helps it to last long if there is still any moisture remaining. Toasting also helps it to be cooked, for it to be easily digested. Then these are groundnuts or peanuts. We also wash it, sun dry, and toast. You can get the already toasted groundnut from the market if you can't, if you don't want to go through the process of toasting the groundnut. This is the plantain, processed, dried, and I'm toasting the plantain. If you want a video on how you will process your plantain, kindly comment in the comment section. The next ingredient is soya beans. It has also been washed, sun dry, and toasted. These are all the ingredients: the Guinea corn, the plantain, processed, dried and toasted, the debino or date, and the millet, dried, toasted, and the wheat, the soya beans, and that's the wheat, the corn, and the groundnut, all ready for grinding. Please use a heavy duty blender, or you take it to a commercial mill to obtain a very smooth powder. This is our tombrown, golden brown in color and very smooth. The next thing is how to prepare this tombrown. You scoop out 2 to 3 spoons depending on the quantity you want, and you dissolve it in a room temperature water to obtain a paste. Mine is watery because I'm making this for a year-old baby. Then you pour it in a boiling water and stir. Keep stirring and cook it for like up to 10 minutes, and your tombrown is ready for consumption. This tombrown, you can take it without adding anything because it contains all the classes of food. You can also complement it with milk or other fruits, and it's not only kids that consume this, it's also very healthy for adults, the whole family in general. Please, if you have watched to this extent, kindly support the channel by subscribing, comment if you have any question, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.